Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, La Cuisine de Sophie. So today you're gonna start by cleaning your potatoes, then you peel them. So as you can see I'm using 6 potatoes, but you have all the quantity in the description. Of course after if you want less you can use less, or if you want more you use more, it's up to you. So you're gonna have to cut your potato in slices. So me, I'm using this mandolin, but of course if you don't have any, just use a knife, it's fine. It's just much easier with it. Like if like me you using vegetable, you cut them every day, I'll suggest you to use this because you're just gonna get so much faster. So yeah, just cut slices. Yeah, your slices, like try don't get them too big or too small, just like this, you can see. Not too thick, not too thin. So once they're all done, you're gonna put them under cold water for, let them around like 15 minutes. Yeah. So just put them in a container and let them 15 minutes in the cold water. Just like this. So in the meantime, you're gonna preheat your oven for 190 degrees Celsius. And then after the 15 minutes in the water, just dry your potato. So I'm doing 2 by 2 just to show you, but you can of course spread all of them and dry all of them in the same time. Then once they're all dry, you're gonna season them. So with the salt, black pepper, and some olive oil. So I don't put too much olive oil, I'm trying to keep it like a bit healthy, you know. So yeah, after I just put the seasoning, but of course if you want to add like paprika or something else, you can. And as you can see, I'm only doing half of the potato slices in this container. It's just like this, they all gonna take the seasoning easier. Then when it's done, using a cooking paper, and you're gonna put them on just like this, spread them everywhere. Try to don't put them one on the other. Like if you do like me, just, you know, do it in 2-3 times in the oven, it's just easier. And then you're gonna put them in the oven for 15 minutes, but always check before the time, you never know, maybe they cook faster. And here we go, just like this. After the 15 minutes, your potato chips are ready. So yeah, and this you have different ones. Some are more cooked than other, so it's up to you if you want them more cooked or less. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, don't hesitate to subscribe for some more videos.